Welcome back to our session. Let us discuss about iterative process of binary search program, non-recursive program for binary search. Let us consider L. There is a list of elements 1023 and observe one thing, all these elements are sorted order, right? Otherwise, I cannot apply this binary search technique. The precondition for binary search is that all the elements should be in sorted order, and I'm searching for an element where ELE is given by the user. So I have to write a function to search for a particular element. So what is that element? That ELE, right? So let me write a function. So what is that function I'm writing? Binary search iterative, right? So how many arguments I need to send? I need to send L value. So this is our main program, okay? So this should be our main program. I'm writing function first, right? L. And then how many values I need to send? Lower index I have to send, and then higher index I have to send, and then element to be found, that is to be searched, right? And then how do I search? How to continue this process? While lower index is less than or equal to high index. Why should I write this condition? If there is only one element where low is equal to high, then I need not go for any searches. I simply search whether it is equal to the element to be searched, and if it is found, then print, otherwise it's not there, right? So while L is less than or equal to H, then let me calculate M value as L plus H divided by 2, and then let me check if L of M means, that is the element at M, index M means mid element, whether it is equal to M element or not. If it is there, then simply return that M index value is to be returned. Elif means element is not equal to mid value. Then let me check whether that element is less than the mid value or greater than the mid value. For example, if it is less than mid value, element is less than L of M, means the element is in the first half, isn't it? If I'm searching for say 25, the mid value will be approximately, it is at 26, then obviously that should be there in the first half only, right? In that case, what I have to do, I have taken L index here and higher index here. I need to move this high index to mid minus 1. So H is moved to M minus 1, right? Else, what do you mean by else here? Element is in the second half. Element is greater than L of M. In that case, lower index is to be moved to M plus 1, means you are restricting the search in second half, where indices are starting from mid plus 1 to higher index, upper index, right? For example, this process will continue. Obviously, this process will continue till you reach an element, means till you reach an index where element is equal to that, ELE is equal to that mid element, or else you may reach a condition where lower index is not less than or equal to higher index. In that case, you can say that search is unsuccessful. You can simply return some minus 99 value that indicates element is not found. Is it clear? Okay, so let me call that function. So whenever a function is returning a value, let us hold that value, let us take that value into f. Okay, then a binary iterative of, see, L is a list to be sent, lower index is to be, what is the lower index initially? It is at 0, because I have to take all the elements starting from 0 to, what is the last element index? High will be at len of L minus 1, isn't it? Len of L minus 1, and then whatever element I want to search for, that user enters, no? So that element I have to send. So all the 4 arguments are clear, then I will run the function. Let me, after returning that value, means if the function returns some value, that value is stored in f, then let me check that f value. If f is equal to minus 99, I can say that it is unsuccessful, element not found, right? And then if it is there, else, what is to be printed, children? Print of found at, element is found, right? Where it found? Found at, where it found? M, sorry, F. It is taken into F, right? So let us run this code. Enter element to be searched. So let me search for 45. It is found at 5. Is it there? Yes, 45. So let me run this code for an element which is not there in the list. Let me search for 90. Is it there in the list? It is not.